Corv in Gaelscoil, count in Irish with me. Cévad a ecantu. How many do you see? Cévad modra atá on. How many dogs are there? Sha modra a one atá on. There's one dog. Cévad bla a ecantu. How many flowers do you see? Sha chovla atá on. Bla one chovla. There are two flowers. Cévad ein a ecantu. How many birds do you see? Sha cara ein atá on. There are four birds. Cévad down all a ecantu. How many spiders do you see? Sha cho down all atá on. There are two spiders. Cévad bach a ecantu. How many bees do you see? Sha cara bach atá on. There are four bees. Cévad bla a ecantu. How many flowers do you see? Sha cuig bla atá on. There are five flowers. Cévad crán a ecantu. How many trees do you see? Sha cara crán atá on. There are four trees. Cévad bo a ecantu. How many cows do you see? Sha shevo atá on. There are six cows. Cévad couple a ecantu. How many horses do you see? Sha three couple atá on. There are three horses. Cévad cór a ecantu. How many cars do you see? Sha cuig chór atá on. There are five cars. Cévad teach a ecantu. How many houses do you see? Sinead, that's it. Sé theach atá on. There are six houses. Cévad etlán a ecantu. How many planes do you see? Sha ní netlán. 9 aeroplanes. Iontach, brilliant. Cévad sú talún a ecantu. How many strawberries do you see? Sha sé sú talún atá on. There are 6 strawberries. Cévad féilechán a ecantu. How many butterflies do you see? Sha 8 féilechán atá on. 8 féilechán, 8 butterflies. Cévad cuinín a ecantu. How many rabbits do you see? Sha de cuinín, 10 rabbits. Cévad circle a ecantu. How many circles do you see? Sha seacht gurkle. Iontach, brilliant, 7 circles. Cévad bla a ecantu. How many flowers do you see? Sha ní mla, 9 flowers. Cévad planta a ecantu. How many plants do you see? Sha 8 blanda atá on. There are 8 plants. Cévad salada a ecantu. How many snails do you see? Sha de salada, 10 snails. Iontach. Tá tú go maith cuireamh, you're good at counting. Maith who? Slán go fóill. Bye for now.